The global economic landscape is in a constant state of flux, marked by continuous shifts and evolving dynamics. Understanding these changes is paramount for anyone interested in global affairs or future market trends. Staying informed about the fastest growing economies is not merely an academic exercise, it is crucial for strategic planning and insight. These nations often serve as bellwethers for broader economic shifts and emerging global powerhouses. This information helps us to understand future trends that will shape industries, trade, and international relations. It provides a lens through which to view the world's economic trajectory. Furthermore, identifying these rapidly expanding economies helps in pinpointing potential opportunities across various sectors. These opportunities can range from investment prospects to new markets for goods and services. This video will delve into the top 10 countries predicted for significant economic growth in the year 2025. We will explore the factors contributing to their projected success. These predictions are not arbitrary, they are based on comprehensive projections from leading financial institutions and economic analysis firms. Their expertise provides a robust foundation for our discussion. It is important to preface this discussion by stating that the information presented consists of predictions, not guarantees. Economic forecasting inherently involves a degree of uncertainty. Economic forecasts are complex in nature, drawing upon a multitude of variables and models. These models attempt to account for intricate global and local factors. Consequently, these forecasts are always subject to change as new data emerges or unforeseen events occur. The global environment is dynamic and constantly evolving. Such changes are based on various influencing factors, including geopolitical developments, technological breakthroughs, and shifts in consumer behavior. These elements can rapidly alter economic trajectories. Therefore, this video is intended for informational purposes only, providing a general overview of current economic outlooks. It aims to educate and inform our audience. It should not be considered financial advice or a recommendation for investment decisions. Always consult with a qualified financial professional before making any investment choices. Coming in at number 10 on our list is Vietnam, a nation that has consistently demonstrated impressive economic resilience. Its growth is primarily fueled by a robust manufacturing sector, which continues to attract significant foreign direct investment. Vietnam also benefits from a rapidly growing middle class, whose increasing purchasing power drives domestic consumption. This internal demand provides a stable foundation for sustained economic expansion. At number 9, we find India, a country poised for substantial economic advancement. India's growth is significantly driven by its massive and youthful population, which provides a vast labor force and consumer base. The nation is also undergoing a profound digital transformation, with widespread adoption of technology across various sectors. This digital revolution is enhancing productivity and fostering innovation. The Philippines secures the 8th spot, showcasing a dynamic economy with strong fundamentals. The country benefits immensely from its thriving business process outsourcing sector, which attracts global companies. Strong consumer spending, supported by remittances from overseas Filipino workers, further bolsters the economy. This consistent inflow of funds stimulates domestic markets and services. Indonesia ranks as the 7th fastest growing economy, leveraging its abundant natural resources. The country is rich in commodities, which contribute significantly to its export revenues and overall economic output. Furthermore, Indonesia boasts a burgeoning domestic market, driven by its large population and increasing urbanization. This internal demand provides a powerful engine for sustained growth. Egypt takes the 6th position, demonstrating a remarkable economic resurgence. Its growth is strongly supported by ambitious infrastructure projects, including new cities and transportation networks, which stimulate job creation and investment. The nation's recovering tourism sector also plays a vital role, attracting international visitors and generating substantial foreign currency. This sector is a key pillar of Egypt's economic strategy. Ethiopia is projected to be the 5th fastest growing economy, showcasing immense potential. Its economic expansion is largely driven by a strong agricultural sector, which remains a cornerstone of its economy. Significant infrastructure development, including hydroelectric dams and industrial parks, is also contributing to its growth. These projects are laying the groundwork for future industrialization. Bangladesh secures the fourth spot, with its economy primarily driven by a robust garment industry. This sector is a major global exporter, providing employment for millions and generating substantial foreign exchange. The nation's rising exports across various sectors further contribute to its economic dynamism. Bangladesh is diversifying its export base beyond traditional apparel. Ireland is projected to be the third fastest growing economy, a testament to its strategic economic policies. Its growth is largely attributed to a thriving tech sector, which attracts major global technology companies. Multinational investment continues to pour into Ireland, drawn by its favorable corporate tax regime and skilled workforce. This influx of capital fuels innovation and job creation. Guyana emerges as the second fastest growing economy, experiencing an unprecedented economic boom. The nation's rapid expansion is primarily due to recent significant oil discoveries off its coast. These discoveries have transformed Guyana's economic outlook, attracting massive foreign investment in the energy sector. The influx of oil revenue is reshaping its national budget and development plans. Rwanda is predicted to be the number one fastest growing economy in 2025, a remarkable achievement. Its rapid growth is attributed to a strategic focus on tourism, which leverages its natural beauty and wildlife. The nation has also made significant strides in technology adoption and innovation, fostering a vibrant tech ecosystem. Furthermore, Rwanda's business-friendly policies have attracted considerable foreign investment and entrepreneurship. These countries are uniquely poised for significant growth, driven by a combination of internal strengths and global trends. Their economic trajectories are shaped by various powerful forces. One of the primary growth drivers is technological advancements, which are transforming industries and creating new economic opportunities. Digitalization and innovation are key accelerators. Resource wealth, particularly in nations like Guyana and Indonesia, provides a strong foundation for economic expansion. These natural assets generate substantial export revenues. Favorable demographics, characterized by a young and growing workforce, also contribute significantly to economic dynamism. A large working-age population fuels both production and consumption. Strategic government policies, including investment in infrastructure, education, and business-friendly regulations, play a crucial role. These policies create an environment conducive to growth. However, potential challenges loom, including the persistent threat of inflation, which can erode purchasing power and economic stability. Managing price increases is a critical task for policymakers. Dependence on global commodity prices is another significant potential challenge, especially for resource-rich nations. Fluctuations in these prices can introduce volatility into national economies. Political instability, whether internal or regional, could also pose a substantial risk to economic forecasts. Geopolitical events can disrupt trade, deter investment, and undermine confidence. In conclusion, the global economy is a dynamic and ever-changing entity, presenting both challenges and remarkable opportunities. Understanding its intricate movements is more important than ever. Staying informed about these economic shifts and the nations leading the charge is key to navigating the future. Knowledge empowers better decision-making for individuals and businesses alike. We encourage all viewers to share their thoughts and insights on these predictions in the comments section below. Your perspectives enrich our collective understanding. If you found this information valuable, please take a moment to like this video. Your support helps us create more content like this. For more in-depth economic insights and analyses, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Join our community for regular updates. Finally, hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos and never miss an important economic discussion. Thank you for watching.